Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for liking the last vlog. और फिलहाल हम जा रहे हैं मसाला लेके मामी के घर पे पीसने के लिए. मामी मामा कशा आहेत तुम्ही? हे घ्या तुमच्या अमानत आणलंय. So मसाला दे दिया, अभी वो जाके शाम को उठाएंगे. बट आई हैव सम मोर मसाला फॉर यू. Yesterday, Mr. Modi, Narendra Modi, our PM, he announced there's going to be a relief package which is going to be subtle to help the middle class, the farmer class, new investments in order to grow. Don't you think it's quite a big commitment to make or an announcement to make to people where I think most of the middle class is still for effectiveness of your work in their zone past previous promises. So basically I have 2 points in mind right now to share with you. Announcement made by Mr. Narendra Modi yesterday on the 12th of May. Mr. Modi has announced a 20 lakh crore relief package, and as per his elaboration, he takes in consideration farmers, he takes in consideration the middle class, he takes in consideration new businesses which are locally looking forward to expand, make local vocal, in short. That is what the funda he spoke of. But me being a middle class guy, I am really concerned, am I gonna be benefit out of this? Like in the past few years, definitely he's worked, but there were certain promises which were hyped in the very beginning of the election and later not addressed. For example,
अरे एक बार ये जो चोर लुटेरों के पैसे विदेशी बैंकों में जमा है ना, उतने भी हम रुपये ले आए ना, तो भी हिंदुस्तान के एक एक गरीब आदमी को मुफ्त में 15-20 लाख रुपए यूं ही मिल जाएगा. इतने रुपये जिस दिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी को मौका मिलेगा, एक एक पाई हिंदुस्तान की वापस लाई जाएगी और हिंदुस्तान के गरीबों के लिए काम लाई जाएगी.
question is, on the big scale we are happy about this announcement, but is it gonna be really able to make a difference in my life? Still too early to judge on that, but let's hope it does, because we are in critical times. Secondly, the irony of our news channels nowadays is very funny. Like news बनाने के लिए कुछ भी बनाओगे आप, कैसे भी बनाओगे. Like I remember until the last few days when trains were not working, when laborers were stuck in these spaces which the government allotted to them to stay in with the best that they could, there was a problem that they are not being sent to their homes. But today when someone is going to the house and there is the same news line anchoring to people who are discomfortably going to the homes, like भेज रहे ना भाई, problem क्या है? From a layman's view, a person who's only concerned about his life and his safety, possible है कि he can still say कि भाई हमको डर लग रहा है, एक ही डब्बे में 4 जन बैठे हैं, there is no safety to it, and there is no I'm not being given a variety of khana, I'm not being given a proper bed to sleep, I don't have my privacy. Possible a layman can claim that. That is because he cannot see what is there more than himself. Whereas these news channels are well educated and they have well educated anchors who still push the negative after understanding the situations. Or if you want to show it, but show the positive also na, along with it. Getting me what I'm saying? Human errands are gonna be there, but the point is भाई किसी से भी और कुछ भी न्यूज़ मत बनाओ. try to think. And if you're showing negative, like I can challenge you this one thing. Open your newspaper, any news channel, and wait for an hour. Tell me one positive news that you receive in that entire hour. You flip through 10 pages of newspapers, what you find is negativity. So yes, these people are often feeding you off negativity. I don't know, why don't they focus on the positive? I don't have a problem with them, but it's such a suggestion. You can look into the positive, you know. It's not gonna cost you as much, maybe TRPs. इतनी मेहनत ये लोग डिबेट में करते हैं ना, to prove yourself wrong or right. I wish they had only done this to make our country a better place to live. Just something I felt concerned about. If you think like-minded, do comment below. Keeping in mind the positive and the negative. If you think I need to know something I don't already know, do comment below. Last but not least, stop this YouTube versus TikTok wala war, because बहुत हो गया यार. If you are really that offended by YouTubers hitting on you or TikTokers reverting to you, I pray to you, go put that same energy to question Mr. Modi. Where is this relief fund going to be impacting our lives? Like, I don't know if you have 100 crores in your bank account, but I don't. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Of course, like always, मांगना पड़ता है because आप लोग करते तो नहीं हो. God bless world stay.